This is a very tight space. It's got a landing time. Yeah. I can make it go faster if I replace the fan, you know, with a, because right now I'm using a 5-blade fan.
Right.
Put a 10-blade to go faster. How much? Yeah, but that's not including the electronic. Oh yeah. Helicopters are fun. They're really expensive in Hobby Shop.
Yeah, you have to order. That's the best way. Especially on something for like that for under $100. That's crazy. But yeah, obviously it has to go extra. That is really cool, man.
You just let it go when you land it, or you let it?
You could
No, I gotta land it because if you just let it go, you're gonna crash. I don't know how I'm gonna land it here because it's very tight.
Can you tell when it starts running down?
Yeah. I actually have a timer, but I always forget to put the timer. Yeah, now it's like time to land it.
You could tell, right?
Yeah. It's gonna come slow and slow. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Before you die.
What happened, but the